Hey, everybody, quick how to before we hit this fantastic holiday weekend. Before you leave the office today, Friday, before Labor Day, I want you to go into your settings in AgencyZoom. Click on settings, click on down here at the bottom, go up to, holy cow, system settings, click on automation for me. And then right down here, about midway down this screen, you're going to see exclude the following dates from automation. And there's 12 dates in our agency that have been selected. So I want you to click that date and then make sure you go down here and you put Monday in your system so you're not having any automations. Now you can repeat that annually if you want, like we have July 4th, January 1st, right? Christmas is typically one of those days that we don't do. We do on repeat. So 9/2/2024, we want to set that up so no automation is going to go out on Monday. So then just click close, and that's been saved. So now we have 13 dates that have been set. So enjoy this fantastic holiday weekend. Get this done before you leave the office today.